Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how I draw castles in 2 minutes. This is a great thing to add to your fantasy maps. They really make it pop and give it some life. You're going to need a few things to do this. A pencil, an eraser and 2 pens. I'm using Micron 01 and 005 for this. Any old paper will do. I'm going to use Bristol board, but you can use anything you've got at home just to practice, it's fine. So let's set a timer for 2 minutes. You ready? Of course you are, let's go. So to draw castles, the very first thing we're going to do is a little curved line. Next up, we're just going to add some little vertical lines and connect the top with another curved line. Then we're going to draw some slightly curved out lines coming off, and then we're going to fill in the bottom with another curved line. Then we're going to add a couple of turrets by just drawing some little lines and connecting them like that. Then we're going to add the entrance, and then we're going to ground the castle in the map. So to do that, we're just going to add these little lines that shoot off the side. And then finally, we're going to add a couple of lines of shading. Dead easy. With our 01 pen, we can go over it. For the little bit of shading, we're going to use the thinner pen, the 005. The final thing we can do is add some eyes. So here's a few that I did earlier. So to add variation, we can do something with the tops. So we can add a triangle like that and maybe a little flag, or we could just have a triangle on its own. We can leave one blank. We could have a curved top. We could have just a little flag. We could have something with some kind of buildings on top of it maybe, or we can have one with another little mini tower coming out. To shade those, again, take your thinner pen. You're going to run some lines down the edges. And then for the eyes, there's a number of options. You could do kind of anguished like that, sleepy, just long ones like that. We could do a kind of suspicious happy like that, or maybe tired, or maybe consternated. Don't know if that's the right way to say it, but you know, you get what I mean. And you can have a load of fun with that. You can really do anything you want with the windows or eyes or whatever you want to call them. A final touch can be to add some shadow to the right hand side. So on each of them you can just throw a few additional lines. And that's it, castles in a couple of minutes. So there we go, that was a really easy technique. I hope you use it. Show me what you've done, tag me on Instagram, leave me a comment here. As always, I love seeing your drawings. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.